today is the 20th of March 2022. We have Metsolantie Skogsvägen. 3 stickers B, but we should get to the stickers A here as soon as possible because they're going to replace this. It was built in 2003 by Orona. Would have been 20 years old in the next year, 2023. Sadly, going to be replaced soon.
Yeah.
By engineers, probably.
Yeah.
The serial number is EXFI 51400, which is exported to Finland.
Yeah.
And it just would have been inspected in the next year, 2023. This has 2 rides.
Yeah.
And I think we have 17 elevators left to be filmed in Korso.
Yeah.
It's rotorolic,
Yeah.
so this is rare. Or it's rarer.
Yeah.
No door close button.
Yeah.
And there's the sensor was added later.
Yeah. Inspected by inspected maintenance by Finland.
Yeah. I think also Korso TV will like this.
Yeah.
But I think the stick is stick is A. It doesn't have a code as I saw it.
No.
Yeah. So that door should have been open.
Yeah.
Yeah. But we'll still need to get to the stick SA as well.
Yeah.
Later, before they replace it. That's it, and thank you very much for watching.
That's